Good morning, my friends. Happy Monday. I just have to hop on here, show my face for a hot second, and say welcome to a daily vlog. Today we're going to be counting macros, calories, focused on protein. We've got 140 grams of protein to eat today, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. But more importantly, I put on jeans for the first time since this pandemic started. Like real jeans, not grease and lace soft pants that look like jeans, which have been the only jeans that I have worn. I have real jeans on today. I don't know why. I just felt like I needed real jeans today. But anyway, we are going grocery shopping. Like I'm about to put my braces on and go out the door. We're going to Sam's Club. We're going to Target. I'll have a grocery haul for you. And we've got a little bit of meal prep to do today as well. So come along for the ride. All right, let's get started with my breakfast. First meal of the day, sitting down to eat it at 10:30 a.m. And this is warm chia pudding. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited about it. So as you can see, it's from Daily Harvest. I am an affiliate of Daily Harvest, so every once in a while they send me some goodies to try out. This is my first time having a chia bowl ever. It's my first time having chia pudding ever. I'm very excited about it. So here are the stats for the bowl itself. 310 calories, only 18 carbs, but 20 grams of fat because chia is a fat and a fiber. So of the 18 carbs, 11 are fiber, which means this has net carb of only 7 grams, which is amazing. 11 grams of protein. So what I did, to make this, all you do is you add half a cup of your preferred milk and you let it sit covered in the refrigerator overnight. I used Fairlife fat-free milk, which gave me an extra 6.5 grams of protein. And then in the morning, I added 2 scoops of Vital Proteins collagen peptides, which added 18 grams of protein. So my total protein for this meal is 35 grams of protein. Freaking amazing. I'm so excited about this. I warmed it up and we're gonna go with it, see how long it keeps me full. Again, this is my first experience with chia pudding. I'm so excited. As per usual, I want to tell you guys, if you are interested in trying Daily Harvest, which has all the smoothies I like and the harvest bowls and now the chia bowls and oat bowls and all sorts of good stuff, I do have a discount code. Diva and the Divine will get you $25 off of your first box, which is an incredible deal, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and eat breakfast. I get a lot of questions about what supplements I take, so I figured I'd take you through. I just did my supplement refill in my 7-day container that's over there, which is also something I really love, the rainbow container. But I thought I would show you all of the stuff that I take. I swear I'm not sponsored by Now Foods, but honest to God, I would love to be. I love their stuff and I use their stuff all the time, every day, as evidenced by the fact that they are most of the percentage of my supplements. So first, I take one a day. You can buy these at Sam's Club, like 300 days worth, almost a year's worth, for like under 20 bucks. So I take those. I take sunflower lecithin primarily because there is a study about it done on CMT patients that, or I guess not patients, CMT rats that proved positive. It's not hurting me any, so I decided that I want to take this on a regular basis just because anything I can do to help is great. I take vitamin K primarily because it is best to take vitamin K with vitamin D or vice versa. I want the vitamin D boost, so I take that every day. It's a lot. It's 5,000 IUs of vitamin D3, but I find that it really does help my energy a ton. I was influenced by Kelly LeVeque, the nutritionist who wrote Body Love, to get the Ultra Omega 3 cardiovascular support fish oil pills. I don't hate them. They actually don't taste as fishy as some fish oils I've tried, which is really nice. So I'm enjoying them so far. My only other non-Now Foods supplement, and it's from PE Science, which you guys know because I also use their protein powder and their pre-workouts and all that jazz and the aminos and whatnot, BCAAs, and it is their Symbiont GI support, and I love these. I take one with every meal when I am on the ball. When I'm on the ball and remembering to take things, I take one with every meal. If I forget, I take 3 at the end of the day. The same goes for the magnesium. I have been on the magnesium train, and it has been game-changing in the way I feel and how I sleep. So I take a serving of these is 3 pills. I take one with every meal alongside the probiotic. And then I have started taking glycine because it is an amino acid that we apparently don't necessarily get enough of. I was also influenced by Kelly LeVeque to start taking these. Once I get my hands on her protein powder, however, I might stop taking this because her protein powder has enough glycine in it to get us through the day, so to speak. So this is temporary, but I take this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. And that is my supplement setup. I love it. Yes, is it a lot? Sure. Yes, it's a lot, but it makes me feel good, you know? And I notice, believe it or not, like if I forget to take my vitamins, I notice that I am sluggish by the end of the day or by mid-afternoon. And I'm like, what happened? I didn't take my pills. They make a difference. Vitamins make a difference, folks. All right, my friends, how about a restock grocery haul? Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. I've been gone for a while, but I went to Sam's Club and to Target. These things are kind of mixed together, so we're just going to talk about it as we go. First, the non-grocery items. My husband decided that he likes these socks. Those of you that have husbands that need socks, the no-show socks from All in Motion at Target are a top-notch deal. My husband likes them. We needed these batteries. Fun fact, at Sam's Club, you can get 12 for $12. At Target, you can get 4 for $10.99. So I bought 12 at Sam's Club. This was an impulse purchase, and I'm not sorry. Check it out. You guys know I love the makeup eraser. This one is a week's worth of makeup erasers. It's little ones that you can use one for every day, and then you pop it in the laundry bag. I thought that was brilliant. And then my allergy medication. From Sam's Club, I got my big pack of Mission Carb Balance tortillas. I got coffee. Then we went to, this is a combo of Target and Sam's. I got butter lettuce at Target to make some lettuce wraps out of. Cucumbers from Sam's Club. Peppers. I have another pepper over there. 2 peppers. Honeycrisp apples, bananas, Fage 0% Greek yogurt. I have a couple recipes that I need to use plain Greek yogurt for. This was a new Target find. They released some new Good & Gather products lately, and this was something I happened to come across. It was, oh no, I didn't buy the decaf. Oh no, I bought the wrong one. I meant to purchase decaf, not the regular one. I'm gonna have to return that. Shoot, that's good to know. They had that in decaf, and I somehow, how did I grab the wrong one? That is mind-boggling to me. I got Oikos 000 yogurt. I got, under there is 50-50 blend spinach and dark leafy greens. That is romaine. I got green beans, Brussels sprouts. Good & Gather released some new frozen vegetables, so I got frozen cauliflower, frozen corn, and a frozen mixed veg. We got eggs. I got 2 things of cottage cheese because I've been loving cottage cheese lately. Hiding under here is some reduced fat cheddar cheese, shredded. I bought these because our toilets are needing a little extra something something. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a specific leave-in toilet treatment that really works well for you guys, because I am not versed in this at all, and so I just grabbed this one, but let me know if there's a better one out there. Are you ready for the most exciting find? Good & Gather 4 cheese gnocchi, frozen. It's supposed to be, it's kind of like the, and it serves 3. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the Target version of the Trader Joe's Gorgonzola gnocchi, and I cannot wait to try it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so excited. Carrots, a couple of frozen lasagnas for my husband. Sugar-free Jell-O, both in chocolate and vanilla, because I have some recipes that call for that as well. Lunch meat restock, 2 chickens and a turkey as per usual. Back there, you can see the Nature's Bakery fig bar. My husband needed a restock of all of his snack bars, so we got those, and we got those. I did not buy the fruit and nut bars. I hope I didn't need more of those. I saw some in the basement this morning. Blueberries from Sam's Club. Little Potato Company, a complete restock of Sam's Club-sized cauliflower rice. Meat restock. I love the pre-packaged ground beef from Sam's Club, 93% lean. I also have pre-packaged ground turkey. I got chicken. I got pork. I got something new. I've never tried this before, but it's the Krusty's version of Kodiak cakes, and so I decided that I was going to get a little bit creative because your girl's needing some protein in her life every meal, every snack. Nilla wafers and 2 things of liquid egg whites because I have a lot that I need to do with liquid egg whites. I believe that is my entire grocery haul. Now I have to figure out where it's all going. All right, it is 3:30 p.m. and I'm finally having lunch. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry and I'm tired and I have so much left to do today. It is going to be a very, very active day, which is great. I'm having a chicken salad. This is salad. 2 cups is 15 calories. Whoop-de-doo. It's topped with 2 servings of the Bolthouse Farms honey mustard, which is 80 calories, 1 ounce of this reduced fat Mexican style cheese, and not 1 serving, but 2.5 servings of this chicken. So my total in terms of protein, I think I calculated like 45 grams of protein on this salad. I'm really excited about this. It's gonna keep me full and get me fueled and get me ready to continue this meal prep process. Because now that I've got most of it put away, I have to wash and chop and do and all that jazz. You guys, the disaster is real. I just put roasted potatoes in the oven. I have meatloaf and roasting potatoes in there. I have half of my peppers that are getting set up to be stuffed taco peppers. I'm completely improvising. I have no recipe for you. I'm making it up as I go. I have sliced peppers for my munching pleasure. I have cucumbers. I have raspberries. I have blueberries. Oh my gosh. I have turkey meat cooking right now. I have butter lettuce ready for wraps later in the week. I have half the dishes already in the dishwasher and still have to do. And I still would really like to make my ZPO cake today. Holy cow, I'm exhausted, y'all. All right, friends, I have also prepped. This, like I said, was completely improvised, but I prepped these stuffed peppers. So what I'm gonna do, I have them, these 2 are color coordinated and these 2 are separate. The peppers weigh about the same, so I am calculating all as the same value. What each of these is half a serving of the Banza chickpea rice, which has 11 grams of protein in a whole serving, so it's half of a serving, 5 ounces of the turkey taco meat that I just made, and then 1 serving of reduced fat sharp cheddar cheese. It ends up clocking in at 520 calories, but 50 grams of protein. So I think I'm gonna just pop these in the air fryer when I'm ready to eat them, and that will be my lunches for the next couple of days. And then I also have, actually, I also have this to eat with lettuce. This is the leftover turkey taco meat, so I can make turkey taco salads with like lettuce and then put this on it with some cheese and some salsa ranch dressing. That would also be very delicious and an awesome high protein lunch option as well. So these are my lunches for the week. Dinner is in the oven and dinner will make leftovers until probably Thursday. I'm in the middle of cleaning up. It's getting there. It's not great, and I have 7 minutes until dinner's done. Oh, heaven help me. Green beans are in the air fryer, and then the last thing I have to do is prep my ZPO, my zucchini pumpkin oats, which is going to be very easy because all of the powdered stuff, everything that's not wet, all dry ingredients are in this container right here that I got from the Katie Crocus Macros box that I ended up purchasing that has all of her recipes and a macros tracker and all sorts of stuff. And it came with pre-done ZPO, so because she's who I got the recipe from, which is awesome. So I just have to add a can of pumpkin, a small container of liquid egg whites, and the zucchini, which is all pre-portioned right here, and then this stuff here. And I'm actually adding some cocoa powder to it, which will add 20 calories to each serving, but it'll add 3 more grams of fiber and a delicious chocolatey flavor. So I'll be adding that to it as well, and then I just grind it all up with an immersion blender and let it sit overnight so the batter thickens, and then I will bake it tomorrow. There's a lot happening, you guys. All right, here is my dinner. This is one of the lightest and leanest, most delicious dinners ever. This is the skinniest dish meatloaf. I'm always vlogging when I make this meatloaf. Just so happens to work out that way, but it is so good. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. I will link the recipe down below for you. Then I have Little Potato Company roasted potatoes and air fried green beans. The total for this meal is 312 calories. I also ended up eating one of these Think Jerky snack sticks, which I got in PR today, which is awesome. 50 calories and 8 grams of protein. And then as an additional snack, after I was, as I was getting things unloaded from the grocer and everything, I also ate this. This is from Chalk Zero. There's the logo. There it is, which also came in PR today. They're little pumpkins, 20 calories a piece, guys. This is sugar-free chocolate made with monk fruit. No artificial sweeteners, no sugar alcohols that I keep hating on, monk fruit. And this was actually pretty good. I'm very thankful. They also sent me some syrups that are over there that I'll show you guys in a later vlog. But I might be placing an order with them just to explore their entire lineup because I am impressed by these little pumpkin guys. So I had those as a snack earlier, and I ended up drinking a bottle, oh there it is, a bottle of kombucha over there. So my total so far for the day, let's see. I have 325 calories remaining. Does that seem right? 275. I might actually have fewer than that. I think I have fewer than that, but I'm at 116 grams of protein. I need to be at 140 grams of protein. So I still have a little ways to go, but I'll get there with my dessert, ladies and gents. So there we go.